optimisation of future regional Queensland and national microgrids using real virtual oscillator control (VOC) simulations. We were tasked with creating real optimised energy simulations for microgrids that can sustain local regional industries during blackout-like events and highlight the current and future advantages of regional living. The data that we used was from two sources, the Australian Energy Market Operator, AEMO, and the Clean Energy Regulator. AEMO data that we used is data from the National Energy Market, or the NEM, for 2 decades from Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, and South Australia. This data also includes Tasmania, but not from 1998 and onwards, but from 2005 and onwards. We were able to create an interactive Mathematica application out of this data. The second source of data that we used, from the Clean Energy Regulator, was used in the MATLAB and Simulink microgrid simulations for the VOCs, the virtual oscillator controls. We were able to create fairly accurate simulation models of a theoretical microgrid that could be built in the future in the Yeppoon area, which is of the postcode 4703. The first data set. I have been able to create a Mathematica application that can let you look at all the historical data for the past 2 decades of the national energy market, which comprises of Queensland, New South Wales, South Australia, Victoria, and Tasmania. What you can do is you can select which year you want to look at the data. You can change from regional reference price, where the region is the state, or the total demand. You can look at this for half-hourly periods, any day of the month for these years. An interesting point of data is in 2019, on August 24th at 11 a.m, there was a period at which all the regional prices over the national energy market were negative. This is due to a high penetration of rooftop solar and low demand compared to generation. A simple simulation was created that mirrors a theoretical future Yeppoon microgrid, where Yeppoon is a regional community located near Rockhampton. An initialization file is used to populate the variables in a simulation. Grapher is used to represent and view some of the outputs, and this raw data cleaner allows the output data to be cleaned and presented in a nice manner.